In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make header transparent in Wix. To begin, open your Wix editor and look at the very top of your canvas area. This is where your header appears. The header is the section that usually contains your logo, navigation menu, and sometimes buttons or contact links. To make it transparent, the first thing you need to do is click directly on that header so its settings become available. Once the header is selected, look for the Fill Color and Opacity option. This setting controls both the background color of the header and how visible that background is. When you open it, you will see an opacity slider. Drag that opacity value all the way down to 0%. Setting it to 0% removes the visible background from the header, which creates the transparent effect. Your text, menu items, and other elements inside the header will still remain visible, but the solid background behind them will disappear. At this point, your header is transparent, but there is one more adjustment that helps the layout look correct. Click on the first main section directly below the header. This is usually the top section of your page content, such as a banner, hero image, or introductory block. After selecting that section, go to the Inspector panel. In the Inspector panel, find the top margin setting and apply a negative top margin. This negative top margin pulls the section upward so it can sit behind the transparent header. That is what creates the clean overlay look that many modern websites use. Without this adjustment, you may still have a visible gap between the header and the section below, which can make the design feel less polished. You want the section underneath to align nicely with the transparent header, so the overall design feels seamless. If needed, adjust carefully until the spacing looks natural. Small changes can make a big difference here, especially if your top section includes images or text that will appear underneath the header area. After that, your transparent header effect should be in place. This is a simple design tweak, but it can give your Wix site a much more modern and professional appearance. That covers everything you need to know.